clot pick me.
Cocky
Big C
fall,
no go
cocky
like your
fall.
blood clot, smarty. Because you and Fabia did my
Ten
blood
man,
clot,
yeah.
girl, Big C. That
I'm
you
try
me a
bring
blood
down the
clot
man.
talk to. You can't bring down no blood clot body, big thinking blood clot church out old girl. You can't bring down nobody.
Cocky
The
fall,
one with the
yes.
fan blood clot social media, yes a bitch. You know better than no blood clot body, know that. Just like how Jayden there with my blood clot data, I saw Jayden blood clot there with you. Thinking blood clot, yeah, the boy did not play the game on the two boat blood clot side. Me not take up no blood clot side for you. Me not take up nothing for your bumbo clot, girl. Big Seed, me see you in a blood clot club. You look mash up when Jayden left you. You never have no eyelash, nothing. You're there in the crowd that I that watch Jayden dick. Me
Money
and
now make
everybody
fear,
see you.
that's why.
Well, on there. Do you know? Now me and you in the club when Big Seed in the blood clot club I watch blood clot Jayden. Eh?
Yeah. Some
No
of them
Jayden
man.
in the
You
club
look
with
him
blood
up.
clot Meka boo. Eh? So thinking blood clot girl. You look stretch out all the bleachings, rub out no blood clot Big Seed. Big C, all the three bleachings just rub out your Fred Pan blood clot, Jayden. You come at the blood clot club, everybody have proof that's so. You reach young at Jabba's club, you look mash up no blood clot. No, you
mash
lost
up,
no
man.
at
To mash
all.
up. That's why
And
she
you
come
did
to
your
get
ink off a blood clot, Jayden, dirty
Yes.
girl. So nobody come go on like you're better than
Yes.
blood clot, Meka boo. Girl, you's a girl like this, you see Fabi with a good blood clot, man. And girl, your blood clot jealous of a Fabi blood clot, man. You run down blood clot Jayden and think you're not going to get the same blood clot treatment. Thinking blood clot, girl. You never done
she
a
bet you
treat
worse
and
than
treat blood
Meka.
clot, Fabi.
Meka take her take off Jayden from her.
So me no know how
Meka, she not like a Meka, just come like a jar with her, man.
She run down Jayden like a blood clot dog. And you come go on like you're special. You never blood clot special drunk row. Dirty bad mind, girl. You can't know say you're bad mind from beginning. Because your bad mind blood clot Fabi thinking, girl. Your bad mind blood clot Fabi for your blood clot, man. And you think they not go own up the blood clot, man. Well, the man did not play a blood clot game with the boat at uno thinking, girl. Big thinking, church out blood clot, girl. Go suck your mother. And that me say. No, man. You can't come blood clot, you want to come feel like you want to come argue with me. After right, you blood clot get used. If my daughter get used, you get used too.
But me not see Meka get the use, because man still around Meka, she the man at the road, so
but you want to know funny it is? You want to know funny it is? The man come meet we. The man come meet we to blood clot. And you run come down at the blood clot, man. You run come we come to the blood clot, man. The man turn up did not pay you no mind. Not even a drink the man can't come give you, girl. And you turn up out and do a thirst in a blood clot. So the fuck you come go like your blood clot things? Eh? Big C make move a blood clot and go from you. So you're special. You need to go take care of your bleaching because from Jayden left you to blood clot, you get dark out. You get blood clot dark out. Go suck your mother in that
money done, man.
Give a fuck for none of uno. You and Big
money
C
not
come
spent
suck
on
out
her
my rotten
again.
teeth. You and Big C come suck out my blood clot rotten teeth, girl. And that my want to come do. Come suck out my famous rotten teeth when I'm having on my blood clot head. Thinking dirty girl, what if Jayden did want you? If Jayden did blood clot want you, why you done run down Jayden and out at Jabba's club and anchor like a dog?
Yeah. It is right.
If Jayden didn't want you, drunk crow. Good. If Jayden didn't want you, why did I have to run down Jayden and the other Jabba's club and anchor like a blood clot dog? Eh?
And she look for me, but me no want her.
Blood clot club, you don't have no eyelash. You're stressed out.
I don't want no what
you
left.
Look beat out. Stress I kill you. And the boss did a dress up good. And I him and Meka party the whole night. When him and Meka boo left and go fuck, then left you down at the club. Big C, where you sleep that night, the drunk girl? Big C, when you down at the club, tell the people them say Jayden take Meka boo and go back up at the house where we there.
Yeah.
When him and Meka boo go fuck, what you did there? You did left down at the blood clot club, drunk girl. So when you blood clot, you talk about?
And she look for me, me never want her, because I don't want no what left. So me see she look for me, feel like she should have get somebody else.
Fabi man and think of vacation. She did take Fabi man and think of blood clot vacation. You understand what I say? She take Fabi man and think of here. Yeah. So all of the good treatment that what she said Fabi didn't get. This blood clot
Done.
thinking girl. This friend blood clot take her. What she love take her friend man. She did think of the same thing. The man didn't come treat her. Move your blood clot. The man
Yes,
fuck
man,
you
that's
out.
your feel.
If he fuck out Meka boy, fuck you out too. Dirty blood clot drunk girl. Look how so good blood clot girl. You think me afraid of you? I can't me never want in your argument. What the blood clot you call me name for? So because you and Jayden no work out, you want come cuss me. What you diss me for? Me not in a look a bumbo clot mix up. At least Jayden no take a blood clot a walk out. It's a mile how long for go down a centi blizzard.
But this morning, you pick up here, yeah, say she good and alright. But me know say she go come off for family.
Eldino,
Because from here she start this me first. And here she start say some things.
Eldino.
No.
How long it take to reach young St. Elizabeth?
How long it take to reach on her?
Yes, how long it take to reach young St.
Me not think it take no long time. It not take no long.
So you go tell me, say, Big C no come from where? From Kingston, go down to St. Elizabeth for blood clot, Jayden Cocky.
You know for that?
You know blood clot for that?
She pass all my yard because she did father me. So just imagine.
More than 2 hours. From Kingston, go down to St. Elizabeth for Jayden Cocky and your Jayden never did look for you, dirty girl.
Jayden never come sleep over too. No, she see room and she see everything and everything nice. So she think she space to the fear. But she don't know so she get left long time.
Well, I come style my blood clot picnic. Go suck your mother thinking bumbo clot girl. How you feel like? Thinking big pussy blood clot big C. Go suck your mother. You take your friend man. And the man still don't want your drunk row. We see how long you need a period maybe for the blood clot man dog shit girl. Thinking dirty girl. And why you not gonna get for buy no more week for catch up on your blood clot head. Eh?
She not know about herself.
Meka want a blood clot week for look pretty. Meka beautiful no blood clot naturally. Go suck your mother a million times big blood clot. See?
No more comment.
You know what your name?
Look on yourself. No more comment.
Hey girl, Big C, remember you know, and you did out of Jabba's club at Encover Kaki, you know. Hey girl, the man left you. And you come down the ush part where they uncover the blood clot, man. Meanwhile, we there in a VIP. You're there down there in the comment section and look up and we. Remember me tell you, we went the club over and Meka Boo and Jayden left go up at the house go blood clot lock up and sleep dog shit, girl. So why you never talk something about that long bumbo clot time? Why you never did have nothing to say?
Why she drink up a dirty rum? And there, why you want to see her face? Yeah. Why everybody? She not nothing for do and nothing for say. We just see the active.
Security.
Yeah. We did the active pan life and I do it thing. Jayden did the enjoy for himself.
Security.
And we did the dance and do it thing. See she here?
Security blood clot big C. Security blood clot big C. You come to security work, dirty thinking
just
blood clot.
Talk. Yeah, man.
Security work, you come down, they come do, you come watch cock and the cock no want you. Move your blood clot and go. What goes around comes around. You think you could have take Fabi man and get through with it? Don't. You think you could have take Fabi blood clot man? Spain town mattress.
That's what you want to. Oh, no follow me up. Oh, you don't
follow me. Blood clot out of order.
Yes, she plan it, man.
Spain town mattress. And that him say about you. Say Meka Boo a 7 cray, you a Spain town blood clot mattress. Dirty thinking, girl, you left your yard and come a club and watch man. Tell the blood clot crowd about that. Tell the people them ush part your sleep when Jayden go on before the morning with Meka blood clot boo. Eh? Tell the blood clot crowd that. You dog didn't play 2 or 1. Go suck your mother. Now the man left you one blood clot Bex. I Bex your Bex because the man make up in blood clot mind. Just thinking blood clot girl. How we are talk about? But the people them know so we see in a blood clot with their eye them swell up. No eyelash. You look mash up and stress out. You run back a blood clot Jayden and Jayden never see you. Move your blood clot and go big girl. Who you? You come go like your blood clot thing. No matter if you're there 1,000 blood clot foreign, you can't this my blood clot data. You hear me? I tell you, so good blood clot, girl. Spain town mattress. Spain town mattress. No matter how blood clot them say you're there foreigns. You're no better than my blood clot fitness so good. Suck good dirty blood clot, girl. Because you couldn't even suck the hood make the man stay. You couldn't even suck the dick make the blood clot boy stay. Go suck your mother. Why you can't blood clot though? You put what? Turn up and put on blood clot wig. Hey, the wig them delay upon your blood clot. Move your blood clot. You take your friend man and think you're not gonna get through dirty girl. Like, who you? You go like you're cute.
She thinks all is fine.
Big C, you're cute. Your blood clot cute. The wig them cute for your head more than you. The blood clot wig them cute for your blood clot head more than your girl. You're tough. You look like a blood clot chansey. How are you, mama? Big C people have to look for your good. Girl, you're tough, no blood clot. Me don't know Jayden there with you. You could have passed your blood clot chansey, girl. You can't chat to blood clot Meka Boo dirty girl. Meka Boo did out a club and cover blood clot man when you want blood clot, yo. Eh? Meka Boo did over out a club. Meka Boo did in at the club with the man. You ought to do a anchor for the man. Meka Boo did in at the club with the man. You did ought to do a anchor for the man.
Meka look like she knows that she did a win already, so she not have to club herself. She just enjoy herself.
Meka Boo don't have a blood clot a club herself because big bitch. The reason why Big C begs. Big C thinks that the wall we now go jump on it with her and tune up with her and cuss Jayden. When we are cuss Jayden, we cuss Jayden for our own blood clot time. And we don't need blood clot.
Yeah, and that's why.
We not join up with blood clot, you can't cuss no Jayden. We cuss Jayden for our own timing. You get me? Say, did I look at blood clot back it?
Oh,
blood clot back your bitch. No, no, we not blood clot back you. When they didn't take for me blood clot, man. Eh?
Follow me,
move
guys.
your blood clot and
no
go.
More text. No more text. Follow me, no more text.
Yes, we got basic school together. Me and you got primary. Eh? Where fuck
follow
you
me,
feel
follow
like?
me, follow me.
You think that you back up blood clot dancer? I feel you feel away because we not jump on your blood clot. You not take the man. Meka Boo did not take the blood clot, man. Jayden did not play the boat at Uno. Move your blood clot and go on like your blood clot special, dirty girl. There's nothing special about you. You're
man
tough,
do
no
a
blood
race,
clot.
man,
You
liquor
look like
down.
you're ticky blood clot, sister. You and ticky match no blood clot. You could have passed any blood clot chance, girl. Like, who you?
The man do that. The man do that race, man box her down.
Oi, what do you miss it? Well, I know. What do you miss it? The girl down at the club and the girl have Mama tough, no blood clot. Me not lie to you. Hey, you see, when you see her down at the club and she not have on her eyelash, you always a
never know she never know she so Big C. Me think.
Yeah.
Me think Big C are the one cute little girl, but when me see Big C, me ask you where Big C there.
Oh,
when somebody reach side away, one table over the corner. Me I say, oh, she. But you go like, you know, I hear nobody like.
Like a gym, she come. The girl come in at the club in a one city. You know, when you come at gym, she go exercise. And some mama come at the club in a gym and I hide out and watch your body. Watch her, no?
Follow me, guys. You know, follow me up.
Watch her, no?
Ramp with me, you know.
Every second she run, go back a smarty. Watch she run, go back a smarty tall. Watch her, no? Mama, in a club and watch your body to blood clot.
Watch your Friday.
Security watch cock, Big Seed. Big C, security watch cock. Are you me I talk to? Yeah. Wanna go on like say, look here. Wanna go on like say Jayden, where call is all that can't talk to my daughter. Yes, Jayden in there with blood clot. Meka, come out of the bag now. If you don't want to see me set them up, yes sir, blood clot. No. Me not have a blood clot problem. If two of them did not blood clot there. And you know about it long blood clot time because you get burned up underneath your ass. That you didn't blood clot get. You didn't get it left, right, and blood clot center. The man didn't play the boat at Uno. And that me a blood clot tell you. So nobody come jump up now with blood clot information because Jayden no want you. Tell the people
follow me. No ramp with me now, guys. No ramp with me.
Tell the people them why you jump out now. You will make the people them know say the reason why you jump out now and because Jayden blood clot refuse you. Many people them know the reason why you jump out now because you hold it. And when you get the big old box down. And when him box down your blood clot, you hold it Big C. So you hold it now, you figure say the man no want you. You realize it. You wake up. And you come now start by everybody blood clot name. Eh? Mama, we now go back you up. Go suck your mama. Go suck out your big thinking blood clot, mama. Name out every part of your blood clot, mama, Big C.
Back up, Charlotte, man. Back up, Charlotte. Let me tell you for early, say Charlotte back up. And we they running a back her too, you know. Not until she start disrespect with.
You know what they look at
glad me that this her first. But glad me
You know
realize
the
and
little
start
cockroach girl though.
getting what
The
is
little
true.
cockroach, the little
Cause she
Spain
not
town
no
matches.
sense.
The little Spain town matches because them a go call Meka 7 cray. Spain town matches. You know see the man this about town now. You know see about town the man this.
And the man still there, the man still show up him face to Meka. The man still there. I have Meka in I'm circle same here. I just
Blood
she feel
clot.
hurt because man now look on her again. She
Spain
worse.
town matches. Where they go? Where the thing say? You run go 2 nights straight the man come out of the club and watch him man this. The girl come in and one little blood clot gym clothes, one pink gym suit. The girl come in at the club and I watch the man blood clot dick down a Jabba's club. You see me? The girl look mash up like a dog, guys. Me not telling no lie. Girl never know. Girl when me buck up blood clot big C, me never know see a she. I them look swell no blood clot. Jayden the panic go and wine out the girl them and wine the girl. Let's Jayden left and go up on the stage go wine with Meka boo.
Yeah. So that makes you vex. And I tell her for morning and he say when she really see what go on. She come to see what go on, you know. Her feelings are bad her, you know. So she say I want make Jayden come a Black River so every minute. No man. Say when she come, you know what she and you can see from her face she not happy.
Thinking girl, me know say you never like me. Thinking girl, you know say look a milk pussy girl. Look a girl who can't even suck cock good. Because if you could have sucked the cock good, you'd have keep the blood clot, man. Thinking blood clot big pussy milk girl. You couldn't even keep the blood clot, man.
Yeah, man. Big Riverside wall shit, man. Big in a real life. What you mean? She bright.
I she did diss me. God
right,
no, me didn't want pussy, but she did diss me, bro.
Yeah. After me this morning, food she come disrespect me. She bright. I follow it up because she disrespect me. She bright.
Bro, be a this girl like this, me man. She deserve to get this, man. Not lie to you, man.
I have a friend for this, but it don't work out. I plan no work out.
Boy, the pan life and this up be wicked this way. I mean, ain't this circle. Me I deal with the thing cool. Me need to say one and two things cool, man. Me not lie to you. Me love you, bro, but I shoot, man. The girl if you go.
But one night time, it's because they tell me, say, for style up back Jayden, it's like for her name I get mentioned and we are talk about her, say, in a good way. So we never expect she to come, but look like she planned, but it never work out.
Bro, girl sit down with Tiki and all of them are this up people, wicked. You understand me? I say the girl will go suck your mother. And that me I tell you, plenty blood clot time I move from you, so. I want to you, when you the man did good, you the man did good. When you the man that you come with a bag of blood clotting, move from your sangwe. And that me I tell you.
Tiki the batty boy will leak like ice truck.
I see him taking me a talk about my one tough no blood clot. No matter how much blood clot medication he taking, he can't get soft. He tough, you fuck.
A batty boy, man. He might leak up the whole of foreign right now. Yeah, man.
No, a man bumbo clot mouth skin up like when goat a shit.
real batty boy. Me say, if you ever come over
them box off the wig off my head. The next when the man box down, Tiki back way and the wig fly after blood.
You know, no fucking sense. Me have one time, me have to say, it's a God bill one puppet for bring come around here. Come get trouble.
I see him Tiki will get down in Mexico. He get stuck down in Mexico and ball out blood. That when he go jump the bar.
Crime. Me say, boy, me don't know you know, but me feel like say, yo, me somebody will run a system of a place to put them by themselves in a one local community gated place and lock up all of them over there. Trust me, man. Hey. In a real life. All one of them banks so, all of them go lock them up. Destiny, every one of them. Carry them go lock them up in a one gated community with a tall wall. One tall wall like up at Jericho. Yeah, one tall wall.
Ting, but me tell you something. Me not go make blood clot big seed or big seed because it's a big seed. She have a, you know, say a big seed she name. She no name no big seed.
Right now, she change her name to Big A.
Big seed. Tap your blood clot nice over there. Big seed. You gotta have a big blood clot seed. Big seed upon blood clot like I come this me. All of them feel like they can't come this me blood clot name you. Think I don't say me want cause I get stuck car mother. That me say. A girl they watch cocky too hard. And that me I tell you.